chicken. Now this dish was originally found in southern China between the 17th and the 18th century, and it spread to the US in the early 1900s by the Chinese migrant gold miners and railroad workers. Now there is something appealing to biting into these tender morsels of deep fried chicken nuggets coated with this syrupy sweet and sour sauce. It's like having a dessert for dinner. Okay, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, ingredients for the sauce. I have 2 tablespoons pineapple juice, 4.5 tablespoons sugar, 3 tablespoons vinegar, 2 tablespoons tomato ketchup, a dash of dark soy sauce, 3/4 cups of hot water, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I'm just going to combine everything. I'm going to put the sugar in, the hot water, salt. I'm going to whisk it until the sugar dissolves. Pineapple juice, vinegar, tomato ketchup, Okay, that's it with the sauce. Let's get the ingredients for the batter. I have 1 egg, 1/4 cup flour, 1/2 cup cornstarch, 1/8 teaspoon baking soda, 1/8 teaspoon baking powder. I have a 1/4 cup water and a 1/4 cup vegetable oil. Okay, let's put it together. Alright, we basically can combine all the ingredients. I'm going to put the oil in, and the egg, now we're going to put the flour, cornstarch, baking soda, baking powder, and the water. A little bit more water to it. So we're going to go with a 1/2 cup of water instead of a 1/4. So it should look kind of like an egg batter should, not real thick, because we're going to flour the chicken. So this will be just fine. Okay, let's work on the chicken part of it. I have 14 ounces of chicken breast. I cut it into chunks. So make sure they're nice and small so it wouldn't take so long to cook. I have 1/2 cup of pineapple chunk. This is fresh pineapple. You can also use canned. 1/2 cup of sliced green peppers. I blanch for about 3.5–4 minutes. 1/2 cup of sliced carrots. Same thing. I blanch for 3.5 to 4 minutes. And 1/2 tablespoon of toasted sesame seed. Okay, let's put it together. I turn this on, and I got about 3 cups of oil in here getting heated up. Alright, so here's what you do. chicken. You're gonna just put in flour, just coat it. And just get the excess flour off. You don't want it too heavy. Lightly coated is all you need. And if you're gonna do like sweet and sour shrimp, basically shrimp is the same thing. You just peel and devein it and coat it with light flour, and then use the same batter. Pork is also the same way. For the pork, I would recommend you getting the pork tenderloin and cut it in chunks, and then I would blanch it until it's almost done, and then we can use the same batter. Okay, let's deep fry it. Okay, let's see if the batter's hot enough. Okay, that looks pretty good. I'm just gonna put it one piece at a time. You don't want it too heavy in the coating, so you're gonna kind of move it along the side here so that it wouldn't be too thick. Okay, we're probably going to deep fry this for about 8 or 9 minutes there. Okay, it's about 8 minutes. It looks like it's pretty much done. I'll take it out. Now we're going to go cook the sauce. Put the sauce in. Yes. Okay, let that cook up until it until it boils. starting to boil, and just put the carrots in, peppers, and the pineapple. Now you're going to get your cornstarch and water mixture here. I don't know, maybe half a tablespoon or so cornstarch. You're just going to drizzle it in a little bit at a time. You don't want it too thick. I might need a little bit more here. Let's see. Okay, I think we're done. Now we're going to put our chicken in. If you want it to be extra crispy, you can deep fry the chicken one more time. Otherwise, you can just dump it in. And coat it up. And then lastly, you want to sprinkle on the toasted sesame seed. There we have it, sweet and sour chicken. All right, let's see what it looks like here. Get the chicken. It's got the nice crunch. It's not overly sweet. It's not overly sour. I think it's just the right combination. Wow. Very decadent. Excellent. So please try. Let me know how you like it. And please subscribe. See you next one. Great, so a bunch of viewers are interested in buying these black t-shirts, Dragon House t-shirts. So if you're interested, please email me at this address down here, right there. And let me know what size and quantity you want. And then we'll try to get some and get them out to you.